Hello everyone, my name is Joel Sarache. I'm 41 years old. I am from Soledad. I currently live in Manuela Beltrán with my wife and daughter. I am a welding technician and study industrial engineering. In my free time, I like to watch movies. My favorite hobby is listening to music. My favorite food is the hamburger. My favorite television show is The Walking Dead. And my favorite sport is soccer. And I have black hair. There are two people in my family. My wife is Juliet Barrio. She is a 33 years old. She is a housewife. She is from Soledad. And my wife is very pretty, with brown eyes and black hair. My daddy is Kimberly Sarache. She is 10 years old. She is a student. She is from Soledad. My daughter is very pretty and tender. Her eyes are brown and her hair is black. She is my family. Thank you.